Subscribe to Mind, Body and Soul and press the bell icon for more updates.
Fold your legs and fold forward. Come to a crocodile pose on the floor. Bring the two toes, the big toes together. Make a pillow with your hands. Turn your cheek to one side. Rest for a moment. Switch off all the muscles. Take 3 deep breaths here. Every time you inhale, feel your abdomen gently pressing against the floor. Exhale completely every time you exhale, letting all the breath out of your lungs. Remember to breathe through the nostrils, not through the mouth. Hopefully, practicing with me has helped you build flexibility and strength in your body and your mind. Do leave me some feedback right here, whether you're able to practice regularly along with the videos or if you're facing any hurdles while practicing with me.